Hello everybody, this is HA Horizons here. Today I'm going to be making a video of installing a mod. This is not the first mod that I've installed on my Svartpilen, but it is the first one that I'm going to make a video of me doing. Eventually I might include at the end of this video or in another video in the future of the other things I've done so far. So let's get started. This is the item that I purchased off of Amazon and I'll be installing on the motorcycle. So I'll have a link of it in the description too. It did not come with any instructions and I couldn't find any instructions online. So I'm just going off the pictures, and I also watched a video of another YouTuber installing a item like this on their Svartpilen. It wasn't the same item, so it's not going to be exactly the same, but it gave me a little bit of an idea of where the bolts are that I need to screw some of this into. So what I'm going to do right now is get this assembled so that it looks like how it's in the picture. So I'm looking at it and I'm looked at this, so I can tell the washer and this bolt go on the outside here. So if I get this right here, so it's gonna be like that, then this bolt on top, spacer underneath, and then the screw is gonna come from the top like this. And with the screw there is this other piece here. I don't know what you'd call this, maybe another spacer or something, but that's the plan. Also, so this is a slit right here, or slot, and there's a lot more space than it needs for just that bolt. So if you do this yourself, I think what you'd want to do is put it all the way to the outside of the item. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I'll make a time lapse of it, and yeah, then we'll do the next part. I didn't figure that out yet, but hopefully that goes smoothly as well. So I'm just going to start lining up the screws and the pieces and then tighten them up. One last thing I wanted to show is the tools that I'm going to use. So you'll need some kind of Allen key. This is what I have on hand. This is like a screwdriver I use, and this is a multi-tool. You're going to need something to hold the bolt at the other end as you screw in from here. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So the next step is to figure out how we'll attach this to the back of the motorcycle. So we're gonna have to go out to the motorcycle and do that outside. So the first thing I'll do is open the back. Whoops, this is not even where you open it from. So I don't know what kind of bolt this is right here. So let's check it out. Looks like some kind of hex bolt. So we'll figure out what size it is. the hell? It's this one. Alright. Okay. Don't lose the bolt. Aha. So we need to make this, we need to adjust this because it's not lining up. So I figured out, I loosened these and I put it on here. So yeah, if you do this yourself, don't tighten these all the way, and you'll be fine. Okay, so I got those bolts in, and I'm trying to see if I could line this up again. It's not all the way on the outside like it was in those pictures. So where's my ratchet? So this is the ratchet, and it's the wrong size. Okay, so alright. So there we go. Yeah, it's not wobbling too much. So yeah, now I just need a top box or some straps and stuff to strap down, and I can take luggage on my motorcycle now.